Let's start trading. Come on guys, we are in the long side today for the euro. Okay, I'm buying and buying. It's going to be a good day. Okay, putting the stop loss, and don't forget to use stop loss. Okay, it's important. Risk management is the 50% of this job. Okay, I'm putting my stop losses and down. Now watch the screen. Yes, just watch it, guys, just watch it. You can see the screen now. There are 3 green boxes. Okay, first green box is very important because that is my powerful diamond for the scalping. It's important, guys. It's a sniper entry area. And I'm putting the TPs now because I'm pretty sure that the price would go to 50%. Yes, I'm putting the TPs. Okay, now it's done. Now just watch it. Now we have 2 walls. First wall is the second green box, and the third wall is the third green box. We'll pass, we'll break them all, and it's going to finish with the profit. It's a scalp, so I will close the position at the 50%, but the price will go up so much. Don't forget this. It's scalping for me, and I will take a little money. I will make a little money from here. But when you find some positions like this, do not close the positions. Okay, close positions little by little. For example, at the 50%, you close your positions. 30% of your positions you can close. Then wait. Okay, it's a partial close. Okay, guys, just watch. I will not make this video so much long. So after a bit times, I will not do anything, just watch the screen. Okay, and for the YouTube, guys, I will edit this video at the 20x fast. Okay, it's going to start. Just watch it. This system is a perfect system. This is like a magic man. I worked on it approximately 20 years. And I can say that my win rate is 80%. It's very big. Okay, guys, it's going to start now. Come, price, come. Come on, baby, come on. It's a big fish, man. It's a big fish. Come. Yes, it's starting. Yes, it's going to start now. It's going to start now. Come. Oh. It's going to start now. Just watch it. And I'm saying that I will give you fish and will teach you how to fish it, okay? It's going to start now. Wait. Ready for it? Ready for it? Ready for it? It's going to start soon. We are in the downside now. We are in the downside now. It's going to start soon. Come on, guys. Come in. 3, 2, 1, and go!
Light over the top, feeling like I don't have a choice. Look to the sky, feeling alright. Gonna show them who I am. Take a chance on me. I don't wanna be a loser. 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 Take a deep breath, try not to lose my head. Feeling like I'm out of my mind. I'm losing my mind. Everything I do seems like it falls through. This time I'll get it right, I'm gonna get it right. On me, take a chance on me. I don't wanna be a loser. 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 Take a deep breath, try not to lose my head. Feeling like I'm out of my mind. I'm losing my mind. Everything I do seems like it falls through. This time I'll get it right, I'm gonna get it right. On me, take a chance on me. I don't wanna be a loser. 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 I'm riding high on the long parade. Stacked chips where my dreams are laid. But the winds, they shift, they twist, they tease. A whisper of profit, a howl of unease. Short shadows dance where the charts collide. A step too late, you're swept by the tide. Big risk, big gain, they all shout loud. But the quiet fall comes under the crowd. Up, down, a jagged flight. Hold tight, or lose the night. Up, down, a jagged flight. Hold tight, or lose the night, 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 night. Up, down, long, big, short, it's a gamble.
And it's done, babe.
You're wrong, but you play along. Big, long, big, short, where fortune's
It is very, very good one. And I'm taking money, making money. Approximately $6,500. You can see it. It's all alive. It's all alive. Not bullshit. Okay, not bullshit. This system is working. This system is best system on the earth. Okay. Just watch it. Okay, just watch it. I like this so much. I'm going to close now. Almost close. Yes. 2, 1, and close.